The Hot Sauce is a 50-litre lightweight roll-top backpack, ideal for shorter, faster, spicier journeys. Its recipe is simple but effective. Diamondloc pack fabric, a compact size, a supportive harness, and clever one-planet design. It uses our EXACT FIT Mid Lite harness to reduce weight whilst maintaining support and comfort. 2 aluminium frames are combined with multiple densities of foam in the hip belt and shoulder strap. In key areas, we use non-slip webbing. The harness is available in 3 sizes, small, medium and large. The pack body is built from Diamondloc fabric, a robust material that balances its low weight with the practicality needed for life outside. A 210 denier nylon base fabric is woven with ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene in a ripstop grid. The inside has a polyurethane coating, adding water resistance. There is a front pocket for smaller belongings and a key clip on the inside. The zigzag-shaped shock cord on the front is handy for stashing small items at a pinch. There's a lower pocket for holding walking poles. To save weight, you can remove the shock cord and the front compression straps. The roll-top style allows you to fill to the brim or cinch down to reduce size. The 50-litre capacity is calculated when the pack is filled just above the top frame. On the main compression straps, we use non-crack nylon buckles. There are 2 water bottle pockets located beside your hip belt. A water bladder can be used on the inside. Feed the hose through the hydration port exit in the throat. Hip belt pockets can be attached in a jiffy. The One Planet Hot Sauce is a backpack full of fun and flavour, made in Melbourne for thrill-seeking adventures.